Hello guys, welcome back to my channel UPSC Clarified. So I am Zeenat Khatun and I have recently given my UPSC CS interview which happened on 8th of April. And so first for my subscribers, first let me tell you why I was not available or not making videos since some months, because firstly I had to move to Delhi for my interview preparation, because I have always done my preparation from my home city. So I had to move to Delhi to get that understanding about interview, and there I could not take many of my books, and the adjustment issues were there in the new place, and I had to adjust there, find a room, and etc. And then I had to I was not having many books or notes of mine also, like as my optional is anthro, and many of you guys were asking me in some anthro strategy, but I was unfortunately not able to make a video on that, because much of my notes which I wanted to show you as sample strategy I can explain, but to complement the strategy I need to have some needed to have some sample notes as such, which I made, which was not there with me right now. Also I don't have my notes with me, and I hope that hopefully after my result I will get my notes from my hostel, which I from where I was staying. So I think this would explain the reason why I was absent so many days. So now, like, this is just an introductory or the post resumption video, you can say, after my last video. Now in this video I would try to explain you how was my interview experience and what all happened on that day. So as this was my first interview, in my second attempt I was quite nervous before the interview itself, and I was quite nervous also. And so my interview was on 8th of April, forenoon session. Forenoon means morning session. Morning session tha, and I had to report there by 9 a.m. So I called my parents to Delhi, so that to take help of her, to take help of my mom and my parents, to have that emotional support, and also so that to make my things easy on that very important day. So on that day, firstly, you have to one thing. See, let me highlight the check-in things, or the important things. First is you have to have your documents ready. Okay, whenever your interview, you have to have your documents very much ready. Advance your interview, this was there. I was having all my documents, because I have not done much of higher education, and I am from a general category also, so I was not having many documents and not much issue with it. One is this. Second is that you need to have your outfit of that day ready. Okay, this is very important, because you need to have everything prepared so that nothing goes wrong on that particular day. This was also has this also had to be taken care of. This was the thing. So if I have to talk about the particular day, I woke up early in the morning, had my prayers done, then I had to get ready for that day. So I started off with getting ready, for getting fresh up, and everything. I started to read newspaper while I was getting ready simultaneously, because reading newspaper of that particular day is very important, because they can ask you that day things, right? So then I went to the UPSC Bhavan prior, like I reached there around 8:15 itself. Then I because that was early, we had to report there by 9 a.m., and like they will make us enter the Bhavan at 9. They start that by 9 a.m. So was having a decent 45-minute time, and I had my breakfast there itself. Then I clicked some pictures with my parents and of myself there, because that was the tradition and everybody was doing it, and I was also planning to do that thing I did. Then later we were entering. Firstly they check our call letter, which is our interview call letter. They'll check that before making us enter there. Then one is this, they'll also check your ID and call letter. ID can be your Aadhaar or your PAN card, whatever you have submitted or written, that they will check, and then they will give you a number. They can give you any number, like 7, 13, and based on that 15, 16, something. So that would be the number of the table on which you would be sitting along with some other candidates, right? The moment you'll enter, you will be having a security check of your document, of your file, and whatever, if you have to submit any phone or watch, etc., you will have the lockers there, and they will give you a coupon also, that you have to redeem your things from the locker later. Then you will be entering into the hall, you will be entering into the bhavan. Then they will direct you to go to the particular room where all the candidates were sitting, and this is the room. For example, let me show you, this is the room. You have to enter from this, and this side all the officers would be, all the employees of that particular place would be sitting. Okay, this is the room, and here 4 tables होते हैं. यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट्स बैठे होते हैं, यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट बैठे हैं, यहाँ बैठे होते हैं. और यहाँ पे यू विल बी हैविंग द रिफ्रेशमेंट सेंटर, a place where you will be served your coffee or tea, etc., these things. And then you will be sitting there. One official will come, and he would be there with you, and he will take your photographs, and small photographs, passport size photographs, which you will be taking, and he will verify your documents. Document verification happens then and there itself. Okay, if there is some wrong, then they will tell you to is this. And the third one is that they will self attest your documents ka print out, print copies which you take. All these things they'll do, and they will give your original documents back to you. And this all happens between the time 9 to 10 a.m., right? Because 10 a.m. से जो है your interviews will start. Okay, and on my table we were 6 candidates, and my number was at the third, right? I was the third to go from that table, and every table is assigned to particular board, राइट. लाइक दैट मीन्स हमारे साथ जो 6 कैंडिडेट बैठे थे हमारे बोर्ड पे, दे ऑल वुड बी हैविंग टेबल पे, दे ऑल वुड बी हैविंग द सेम बोर्ड, राइट. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हेन माय टर्न केम, आई वाज टेकन बाय सम person, like a person working there, official, then to the interview board. So every board has this is a circular kind of room, right? ऐसे it's like the building, and every you have some ऐसे थोड़ी थोड़ी गैप पे we will be having some rooms, and after every room the board का नाम लिखा होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे यहाँ साइड पे, and every in front of every board you will be having a chair. तो आपको प्रेयर ला के 10 minutes एवरेज से पहले ना आपको यहाँ पे बिठा देंगे. 5 to 10 minutes तक आपका गैप रहेगा, and then you will be sitting here outside. Again, this is the place where you would be feeling a lot of anxiousness and curiosity and excitement at the same time, that what will happen, what is the board, because board के बारे में already some speculations होते हैं market में, but we all should not think about it. At least I thought that, because आपका एक preconceived notion अगर हो जाता है तो that would be very difficult for you to present your full personality, because already you are prepared, because कि बोर्ड कैसे मार्क्स देंगे. सो ये सब चीज़ों से ना यू विल गेट द नर्वसनेस विच इज़ नॉट नीडेड देयर. ठीक है, एंड देन माई टर्न केम, देन आई वेंट टू द रूम. सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ द इंटरव्यू रूम लुक्स लाइक, राइट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, this is the room. Okay, this is how I entered like this, and imagine this is the room. It was a very small room, not a big room as such, a very small room. Then there was one circular table like this. It was a full circle table. Okay, it was not a semicircle, and the chairman was sitting here, right? And here two of the ma'ams were sitting, and here two of the sirs were sitting, and I was told to sit here, right? यहाँ पे chairman sir थे, and I was sitting here. Okay, and it was very close, like I can easily, like the ma'am, this ma'am and here the sir were sitting very next to me, and I could easily see them, right? मतलब ऐसे ही बस एक बार turn करके I could easily see them. And so they started off with the questions, first with my hobbies, and then they moved on to some advanced questions. And all the questions I don't remember as such. Some of the questions I remember is they asked me about socio versus anthro, as I come from anthro, and they asked to me about the Margaret Mead, a famous anthropologist and a gender role wala, ठीक है, study she does in Samoan Islands, and she compares that with that USA. And they asked me a very basic question about Russia-Ukraine war, because I don't have that. I am not from a PSIR background and any such, so they did not ask me much. I don't know, but they did not ask me much from current also, not from my state also. No state question was asked, and no my district, place, any question, not such questions were asked, right? And then they asked me certain random questions like some movie. They asked me a question about a dialogue of Three Idiots, about friends, and then they continued with that. Then they asked me about my friends, and they asked me like what would be the memorable thing which I would be doing with my friends, all that. And then they asked me about what is nation building, a very basic questions I felt, at least. And then after that, I don't know कैसे 25 to 30 minutes हो गए, around I think 27 minutes चला होगा मेरा interview. Then I was like, then the chairman sir said that okay, your interview is over. And I was like thinking कि ये तो शायद बहुत ही कम time हुआ, and I was then I had to move out. I had to move out from this chair, and I had to come back like this. And then while I was, that journey from that interview room, where there you'll take your documents or the file, then you come out. That thing is, that journey was a very little disappointing for me, because I was thinking that they do not ask me very important questions, or the important current affairs questions, or the questions related to my place or my state, because I was very well prepared with the current affairs of my state, of everything, and also the basic things, right? मतलब जो भी आप अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट या स्टेट के बारे में पढ़ते हो, ये सब उन्होंने पूछा नहीं. एंड आई वॉज लाइक दे डिड नॉट आस्क मी सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस थ्रू विच दे कैन गेज माई पर्सनैलिटी. एंड आई वॉज लाइक वेरी little disappointed. Then I came outside, then I had booked my medical the very next day, and then I had to come back from Delhi. So it took some days to me, and now it's like little settled. And now I got the time again to make the video, so apologies for that first. Then I would surely make a make detailed videos after my result. And I am expecting my result on 21st or 22nd. I hope people who have given the interview this time, they would be very anxious and excited at the same time. एंड ऑल्सो थोड़ी सी टेंशन तो होगी, मतलब होगा या नहीं होगा, होगा तो किस सर्विस में होगा, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो बट माई एडवाइस इज इन दिस फेज, my advice would be nothing that not to worry, right? Not to worry or speculate, and always be positive, whatever might be the result, or at least before result be positive. And you can have it is expected on Monday or Tuesday, so we have the days of tomorrow. Sunday is there still, right? So Sunday would be, you can enjoy the weekend and not think about it. And so let's see whatever might be the result. I would be either if would be positive or negative, I would be surely making videos on the optional subject especially, and also my main things also. Whatever you guys want, you can comment down below. And then and then my anthro notes also I would be discussing. So So that's it for this video, because it was just an icebreaker video for me and for all you guys, so that should gauge the needs and the demands of the people watching. So let me tell what what you guys would love to listen from me or know from me about the UPSC preparation after the result. So either it would be positive or negative, I would be definitely trying to make videos about it, especially the optional I would be seeking, and also about the essay, right? So I think this is it for the video. Thanks for watching.